Are you getting a lot of views on your YouTube videos, but they're not turning into subscribers? How can you convert more of your audience into subscribers of your channel? In this video, you'll learn 7 ways to turn viewers into subscribers on YouTube. Hello, my name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button, then click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Let's think about the path a viewer takes to become a subscriber. Most viewers will find your videos based upon the information they search for in the search engines. Alternatively, YouTube may have suggested your videos to appear on their channel based upon their viewing experience. When they first see your video or arrive at your channel, they may not subscribe right away. However, if they watch more of your content, they'll be more inclined to subscribe. Here are 7 ways to convert viewers into subscribers on YouTube. Number 1, make a good impression. The majority of your subscribers come from your YouTube channel homepage. Therefore, the branding of your channel and thumbnails is very important. For example, your channel banner should state clearly what your channel is all about. Create a custom trailer video that explains why people should subscribe to your channel. The branding of your thumbnails should be congruent with the art on your channel homepage. So when someone sees your thumbnail on the net, they'll be able to associate it with your channel. Number 2, create relevant content. Make sure you know the wants, needs, desires, and problems of your target audience. You'll then be able to create relevant content for them. If they click on your thumbnail, but your video doesn't contain the content that they expected, then they won't become a subscriber. Your content should be congruent from the thumbnail to the title, the video, description, and tags. Number 3, go deeper. Most first-time visitors are not aware that they should become a subscriber. How can you get them to watch more than one video? A great way to offer more content is to create a series of videos that goes more deeper into the topic that they expected. You can then add these series of videos to a playlist and promote the playlist as well as your own video. Add these playlists to the sections on your channel homepage. Link to them during the course of your video. Number 4, make it easy to subscribe. Use the YouTube subscribe features to make it easy for viewers to become subscribers. For example, add a subscribe watermark across all the videos on your channel. Click the link in the card to learn how to do it. Add subscribe links to your about page, in your description, and also in your end screens. You can also create a custom pop-up subscribe link and add that to your website and social media channels. Click the card icon to learn how to do it. Also, ask viewers to subscribe at the beginning and end of your video. Don't just tell them to subscribe, but give them the main benefits of subscribing to your channel. Number 5, repeat what's working. Click on the subscribe button in YouTube Analytics to identify the top videos that are attracting the most subscribers. Also identify the videos that are getting the highest audience retention. These are the videos on your channel that are getting the most engagement. Create similar videos to your top performing ones because you know these ones are already attracting subscribers. Consider linking to these videos in your cards and end screens because you know they're performing well. Number 6, interact with your viewers. YouTube is a social platform where you can build a community of like-minded people. Encourage community building by replying to viewers' comments. Interact with them on other social media platforms. Invite them to subscribe to your email list. Number 7, be consistent. If a viewer becomes an active subscriber of your channel, they probably want to consume more of your content. Therefore, make sure you stick to a consistent schedule of publishing new videos every week. Display that schedule on your channel banner. Mention it in your videos. Add it to your description. Now you know 7 ways to turn viewers into subscribers on YouTube. If you want to learn how to grow a community of loyal fans on YouTube, click the card icon. Let me ask you an important question. What strategies do you use to convert viewers into subscribers on your channel? Post your answers in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Click the card icon to download my YouTube channel evaluation worksheet. You'll receive a step-by-step checklist that will help you evaluate your own YouTube channel. You'll also get links to specific YouTube tutorials to show you how to make the necessary improvements. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and subscribers on autopilot, click the subscribe button below and check out the related videos.